Hello, dear Intuitive Pool community. Here is my first episode for 2025. So good to be with you. I hope you've had a really beautiful holiday season. I certainly have. The weather here in Sydney has just been spectacular, and the beach at North Curl, which is my local beach, has been like a jewel. I feel like North Curly Beach has been her most brilliant over this last holiday period. The water, the temperature, the turquoise color, the clarity, just absolutely beautiful. So I have had a beautiful, beautiful time, completely in the immersion also of my inner world. And as a result of that, that is why I am here on this podcast today. On Friday, I had a group call for my best year yet, and I was moving around with lots of intention to receive what that first call for the year would be about. And it wasn't coming, and it wasn't coming, and it wasn't coming. And then on Thursday, the day before, I was about to run the group call at 9 a.m. The day before, I just let go. And I asked to be shown in my dreams. I asked to be shown in the morning. And of course, that morning, as I sat by the ocean, writing my notes to self, which is what my best year yet is in service to, becoming present and writing our notes to self at least 3 times a week, and really living and leading from the intuitive directives we receive from writing our notes to self. Well, that Friday morning, a few hours before my best year yet, the words came. And the words that came were, "You are the masterpiece." As a result of that download, which was wonderful, wonderful, wonderful to share at 9 o'clock with my best year yet crew, that theme has really been playing with me. And so, what are we today? We're Monday. So, I delivered that on Friday. I received that theme on Friday. It seems to me that You Are the Masterpiece wants to become a masterclass. So I delivered its Harvest Time masterclass on the 31st of December, which was absolutely brilliant, can I say? If I may say so myself, it was absolutely brilliant. Lots of really awesome messages that I received afterwards telling me that, they just knew that they had to be there, or that they received a whole lot more than they had believed that they were going to receive. Well, it seems that You Are the Masterpiece wants to become a masterclass. So I am delivering You Are the Masterpiece free masterclass this Friday. So we are now Monday, the 6th of January. So Friday, the 10th of January at 11 a.m. for 90 minutes, Sydney time, AEDT. I'm delivering it on Friday because I head to Noosa, Queensland, with my family, which is our happy place, on Saturday. Now, I will still be connected in with these masterclasses, with conversations, with people, with messages that people send me. So don't think that I am logging off in my happy place in Noosa. I feel very, as I said, I'm in an immersion. I'm in an immersion. And I know that 2025, in terms of the coaching and mentoring that I facilitate, I know that it's in the style of immersions. So I will share more about that on another episode, and you'll certainly hear about that if you come to the masterclass on Friday. But for now, I just want to invite you to register for that masterclass. Of course, the registration link will be in the show notes. And then on Thursday, you'll receive another email which will have the Zoom link. And I'll just want to say this, please, please, please make sure you arrive on time if you're coming on Friday at 11 o'clock for the free You Are the Masterpiece. But for now, I want to share with you the download that I received in my notes to self. It was like I had a note to self from the universe on Friday morning at about 7 a.m., 2 hours before I was about to deliver the first group call for 2025 for my best year yet. So when I share this download with you, I'm going to put it to music, and I'd like you to receive it, whether you receive it as a meditation, but probably more so you'll receive it as an activation. So may you enjoy this activation, and may we continue this experience, this conversation, this way of seeing yourself at the free masterclass this Friday at 11 o'clock. Let's go. So if you're walking, that's cool. You can walk. If you're driving, that's cool. You can be driving. And if you're able to close your eyes, well, I encourage you, if you're in your own private space and you're able to close your eyes, I really encourage you to do that. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So let's just begin by taking a really beautiful big breath in right down to your lower belly. And then exhaling and allowing your shoulders to drop. Releasing any tightness in your facial muscles, around your jaw and your teeth and your tongue. Releasing tightness around your forehead, the space between your eyebrows. If you can, maybe giving yourself a little temple massage. Maybe rolling your shoulders and just releasing. Releasing in readiness to hear these words. So here we go. You've been a masterpiece in the making. Every creation, failure, success, remembrance, every leaning into, every fear, every faith, every intuition, every fire and agency, every undoing and coming home, every vulnerability, frustration, every knowing, every courage, every claiming and daring, and every moment of beautiful madness. You have indeed been a masterpiece in the making. As 2025 is a time of harvest, you are now asked to see yourself as the masterpiece, not the apprentice, but the masterpiece. You are the masterpiece. Can you feel that? What does it feel like when I say, you are the masterpiece? Every crack, every break returned to wholeness with the golden glue of light. Every knowing, every intuition, not delusional, but instead an act of creation. of God manifesting in human form, of God seeing God. You are the masterpiece. The masterpiece that is not to remain hidden, unspoken, unmanifested. It is not to be reborn, because the masterpiece is already here. All your commitment, all that diligence now to be shared with others, heard by others, seen by others, here to love others into their own masterpiece, to remind them that they too have been a masterpiece in the making. You are the masterpiece. Can you feel that? The zone of genius you've known about for years. The zone of genius you didn't know about because it's innately who you are, unseen until seen, and now here to lead from explicitly. And the zone of genius you've been afraid of. The one now to turn toward, consistently, devotionally, with follow-through as your constant. Momentum lives here. You are the masterpiece. Can you feel that? The masterpiece does not apologize. The masterpiece does not hold back. The masterpiece does not ask for permission, nor does the masterpiece ask for forgiveness, that it is a masterpiece, whilst others are not. You are the masterpiece. Can you feel that? "2025 is a year of immersion in the masterpiece you are, of being in deep, constant relationship with this self, listening and moving, surrendering and claiming, faith beyond reason, beyond evidence, and beyond circumstance needing to be in place. Leading from the realm of beautiful, glorious madness. A masterpiece, the result of deliberate effort, intentionality, self-awareness, and vision. A masterpiece, the result of believing in your worth, seeing your value, and loving and leading from your authenticity. A masterpiece, a living work of art, painted choice after choice after choice of returning fear back to love, and evolving as light now casts where it had been hidden. This is a time of harvest because you are the masterpiece. And now we harvest the masterpiece you are. What does that mean to you, to harvest the masterpiece that you are? What seeds did you plant long ago? What seeds did you nurture and cultivate? What seeds did you neglect through avoidance and fear that now wish to be sown and grown? What are you harvesting? What are you harvesting? Because you are the masterpiece. Can you feel that? And so now we're at the end of that activation. If you are on your own and you're able to go into a piece of writing, I would really encourage you to write a note to self or a stream of consciousness writing to what has just happened for you as you listen to these words. And of course, on Friday at the masterclass, we will go deeper and deeper and deeper. And just like I said at It's Harvest Time Masterclass, I'm sure that what you will receive at the masterclass is different, in fact, to what you thought you would be shown. So I'm looking forward to sharing the experience with you, if that's what you choose. Please, please, please feel free to share this episode with your family, friends, and colleagues. Please, please, please feel free to share the masterclass with your family, friends, and colleagues, with your soul family. I would love to share it with them. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.